My name's Mary Catrin and I work at Sydd Architects in Conwy, and I'm currently an architectural assistant and I'm hoping to qualify as an architect next year. I've been working for Sydd Architects for 18 months now. Most of that time I've been working here part-time, and I recently started full-time about 11 weeks ago. To get to where I am today, I first started at Liverpool John Moores University doing my 3 years undergraduate of architecture. I then took 2 years out of a placement and worked in a practice in Rydyn. Then I went back to Liverpool to study my Masters in Architecture for 2 years, which I graduated this summer, and now I'm here working full-time. I chose to go to university because I knew that to get to where I wanted to be with this course, I had to complete my Part 1 and Part 2, otherwise I wouldn't be able to register as an architect down the line. I think now that they are changing that route to make it slightly easier for people who don't want to go to university. Every day's varied. I might be working on a housing scheme, I might be working on a private extension. Sometimes I get to go out to site, visit the clients, or have meetings over Teams or in person. I love that I get the freedom to design in work, to speak to clients. Not every day is the same. I think the 3 top skills to be able to do my job is communication is vital. You speak to a lot of people every day. Creating relationships with clients is really important. Being creative in any way possible. I don't think you have to be good at drawing. You don't have to be good at one thing or another. I think the more varied skills you have, the better. And the third one would probably be problem solving. We come across this quite often. People don't know what they want or what they're after, so sometimes you have to guide them into those decisions. It's really interesting working in a male-dominated industry. You find that sometimes people are a bit scared of how they approach you, or especially when you're working with contractors, they're very male-dominated. But I think it's quite a breath of fresh air for them to see more females in that industry. My advice to someone wanting to get into this sector would be to just go for it, be confident, communicate as much as you can, make yourself known, just be creative and enjoy it. And I think then that way you can relate to other people, because that's all we all do, we're just trying to have fun with it. The thing that brought me back to working in Wales is I love the area. I think it's a beautiful place, it's by my family, but as well the opportunities are better because I'm working in a small practice. I get a lot of responsibilities, and from my opinion that if you work in a city you don't get to do much. You get pushed on the boring jobs and sometimes they don't give you a lot of responsibility. So I think working in Wales just opens more doors for you and you create more connections that way.